Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne come out strong. He's like letting his trolls, people who follow him, know that he's not their lapdog. He had a very serious fate talking about this. He was in no joke, it wasn't a joking matter for him, and he let them know that, you know what, you're not going to be stepping all over me. And so go ahead and go watch.
Oh no, mad to me is not on a lapdog. Is that what it is? Oh, you people are mad. I'm not your lapdog. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? I will never be your lapdog. Be very blood clot clear. Excuse my language, people. Excuse my language. I will never be your lapdog. Never, ever. So whether no one accept or not, I don't business. Lord. How did my name get into that? How? Why was my name even inserted there? No, are you two mix up? Are you two mix up Talitha? I ain't calling over his name either. You two mix up. Get off my damn page. See, this is the problem. It's you people are the problem. You people are the problem. You people. Run wildfires news now. How am I creating problems? What are you talking about? Don't let me block you. Get off my page. Get off my page. Get off my page. I'm going to say again, I said what I said and I stand by what I said. Leave me alone. Hypocrites, Sharon. I'm glad you see it too. I'm glad you see it too. You see that Talitha person? Want to come in with her nonsense. Yes, I'm the problem. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, I'm the problem. Thank you. Hypocrisy at the highest level. No, you can just unfollow. I don't need to block you. You can unfollow. Unfollow. Thank you. Talitha, what? Listen, let's just get off my page. Get off my page. Get off my page. I don't want to see no more comments from you. Get off my page. Get off my page. Listen, I don't want to be a part of no damn hypocrisy, right? I don't want to be a part of no friggin' hypocrisy. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Keep on saying the man, the man, the man. How the hell you know what I'm talking about, Talitha? Talitha, get up. You know what? Now you can hold the block. 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 You're really annoying. Ban you. You can hold a ban. Bye. Get off my damn page. The man, the man, the man. Keep on calling the man, the man, the man. Whoever I want to call, I don't care. Listen, I just want to be left alone. And I'm not here playing no damn victim. Frig that. Them days is over with. That's why I stay in my own lane. I stay by myself. By myself. For a reason. By myself. I believe I've extended enough apologies right across social media. I've extended enough. And I'm not extending no more to nobody. So whether